awards and all those things. DEF does research all the year. We travel hundreds and thousands of kilometers here and there. We go all over the country, out of country, and all that. So we have we have identified two such projects which we would like you to see, and we would like to do a special felicitation, which is not an award, but DEF felicitation, which is unignorable, which is something which is about citizenship, which is about struggle, which is about empathy, which is about lots of things. So these are the two things that we are going to show you, and we are just going to give a small token of, certificate of felicitation from DEF to this two organization you can call, or two projects you can say. Can we have the lights switched off and we watch these two videos?
A salutation of citizen empowerment through integrated governance services. For the last 15 years, we have been struggling with e-governance, trying to ensure that we reach our farthest most citizen without hindrance. However, for the first time ever, Andhra Pradesh has shown the light of citizen-oriented government services, firing with success as it has got all the services seamlessly integrated. And they are available at the door of the citizen and also at the click of a mouse. Let's emulate Me Seva in its true meaning, at your service for all the other 34 states of India.
Just give me 2 seconds of pause before the next. This in the e-governance, which is integrated almost each and every service that is supposed to be integrated for the government. And the most of the suffering for the people, for the e-governance, is because if one part is integrated, the other part is not integrated. And that is the reason why we salute it. And it's not about award, it's not about something. It is something about the citizen, their right, and you reach to them through mobile, through kiosk, through web, all kind of facilities. And that is the reason we thought that everybody should know, all the other states should also know. And since it's a government project, it's not difficult to emulate because the fund have been spent once and can be replicated in other states. We have another one which is, we would like to recognize.
Gauri Shankar Rajak, hailed from Dumka in Jharkhand, died just last week after fighting, writing, documenting, and publishing for 25 years of his life. He was a Dalit and handwritten weekly called Deen Dalit for 2.5 decades against corruption, politics of divide, and casteism. He left behind for us to think about our society as why this man had got no help and support and had to handwrite his newspaper for almost 3 decades, week after week, to make an impact. Digital Empowerment Foundation salutes Gauri Shankar Rajak and makes the light and fire to continue by creating online version of Deen Dalit, which is also populating all his publications of the last 25 years. Please join us in ensuring the voice of unheard to go national and global without being subjugated.
Only newspaper that I knew for the last 25 years somebody was writing by hand, one after, week after week, week after week, week after week. And if you go through all these writings, which we are trying to, convert into textual format and upload so that it passes, and we are trying to help them also to continue it. And it's a registered newspaper. It's INS registered newspaper. And he used to send one copy to President of India and one copy to Prime Minister's office and one copy to the district collector. And still, he did not get any help. And not only that, he got many advertisements from the local government and never got paid for that. So, this is something which is about media, journalism, and all those things. These are the two things that we wanted to, present to you. And I would like to call Mr. Salman Khurshid and call both the organization and the people who can come and collect a small certificate. Anup Singh, and Mr. Rajak is no more, so his son said that when the person dies 10 days we don't go out. So we have a local center person called Rajesh who looks after that area center, can come on the stage and collect. वो लोग हैं जो गांव में सेंटर चलाते हैं और वहां पैसे कलेक्ट करते हैं सर्विसेज देने के लिए. Yes, sir, please. Thank you so much. And Rajesh, ये राजेश हैं जो दुमका में हैं, ये सारे अखबारों को ऑनलाइन करा रहे हैं. ही इज हेल्पिंग अस टू मेक ऑल ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ द लास्ट 25 years हैंड रिटन ऑनलाइन. Thank you so much.
Okay, my job's done.
Last few words.
No. I think the last word is food. You've had food for thought. Now the food for the stomach must follow. So we shouldn't hold you back any further. Thank you very much for being here.